Good morning everyone. We are from NT School Smart Kids. Myself P. Mokshita.
Myself, S. Mahi.
We are from 6th grade.
Today we are talking about
India's economy.
Hi Mokshita, do you know what is the economy of a country means?
Yes, Mahida, it means how a country earns, spends, manages its money through businesses like farming, industries and services.
That's right Mokshita, India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world.
Really, Mahida, what are the main sectors that support Indian economy?
There are three main sectors Mokshita, agriculture, industries and services.
Really, Mahida, I know about agriculture gives us food. What about the other two?
Industries makes own products like clothes and medicines. Services like teachers and doctors.
Oh, Mahida, I have heard that the India is famous for its technology and software.
That's right Mokshita, Indian IT professionals works with companies around the world and contribute a lot to our economy.
How can students like us to help in the Indian economy, Mahida?
We can study well, learn new skills, support Indian products, avoid wasting resources and contribute a lot to our economy.
That's a great idea, Mahida. If every citizen contribute, India becomes stronger and more prosperous.
Absolutely Mokshita, if economy are bigger, helps us to make more jobs, better education and brighter future for everyone.
Let's work hard and do our part to build a stronger and more developed India. Jai Hind.
Please do like, share and subscribe.
To our NT School Smart Kids YouTube channel. Thank you.